Okay.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
All my vlogs take place in Stop and Shop and with these two. Hello. People are gonna stare at me.
Yeah, that was fun.
Why do you have a camera? Chasing my dreams. Oh, let's tell everyone what we're doing. Steak. We're making dinner. Cook with us. Ooh.
What kind of potato do you want? Russet?
They have bags of potatoes. Let's do these ones. Okay. I got green
wait, we
beans,
have to get
tomatoes. We love corn, we don't care who knows. We love corn and it really shows. Come on.
Petite sirloin steak.
None of us have
way
ever
more
cooked steak.
expensive. This is
Oh.
what I was trying to say. They have this too.
We can pick out our steaks.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or they have. Oh,
I think filet is the way you cook it. Yeah.
Oh.
And it's the filet is the one with the least amount of fat. Should we just ask them? Yeah.
Can we do 3 of those? Thank you.
We've never done steak before. This is why it's so
Maybe
hard.
the one closest to us on the right. Yeah.
Joey,
Yeah.
which one do you want? I'll do that one, yeah. And just one more.
And then just anyone.
Surprise us.
We're really bad.
Yeah, I've never cooked steak in my life. And I didn't know you had to pick it out. Like, I don't know.
None of us have cooked steak. We're just stupid.
One of us is dying tonight. It's from poisoning.
One of us is dying tonight?
Yeah.
What?
What is this?
I don't know.
This is a camera. No, this is a camera.
I know, isn't that surprising?
Yeah. I make videos.
She's aspiring to be famous.
She said, "What is that? That's not a phone."
Who is that? Who's on the phone?
Who are you?
I was just like, Hannah Pacheco from YouTube?
From YouTube?
Ow. Come here, come on.
Joey, you got the back of my feet.
Oh, alright, Haley. You're making me look like a terrible person.
Oh, are we in aisle 7?
Ow.
7.
Yeah.
You're canceled. Skirt. Everyone's staring at me. Next clip you see will be in Maddie's kitchen, not living room.
You don't cook in a living room.
You don't do that.
And you don't have to get all the peel off. It's warm. Oh, those are nice.
These are some bad boys. So I just put some drizzle on them.
Yeah.
Rub them.
Yeah.
Neat. Good work. I'm the supervisor.
He's the supervisor.
I'm the project analyst.
Maddie just got a job today.
I'm
Oh,
bad.
you only have 2 potatoes done.
And Mom did that one, too.
You sure we need that much pepper? Is that too much?
I don't know. I really.
It should be majority salt.
Maybe this will make you work faster.
What the hell?
Peel it.
I feel like I am going really slow, but I don't think I can go any faster than this, I swear. Rocks.
Get back to work. Stop with the pepper. Oh, you're doing it on the other side. I'm gonna do that. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I would do.
I'll start doing a bigger one.
I would do 3, maybe 4 more. Keep up the good work. To be done. The
Why
mashed
don't you
potatoes
get something ready at least?
What? Like what?
Get the
ma-
pot out. Pick a pot.
Joey, I'm trying to explain to you right now. We gotta cook these potatoes before we even think about the corn.
Pick a pot?
Actually, I'm the supervisor, so. No.
And
How's it going?
Soak zone. Woohoo. Are you supposed to cut them?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll cut them.
It's fine.
I'll cut them because we're gonna have to cook them on the other thing anyway.
Yes. And it just breaks at the top.
Thanks. Cooking mama. Remember that game, Mom, or no?
Yes, I do. It's their big attempt at making girl video games.
And it's
Boy, that's
cooking.
okay.
Foggy.
Then we need.
Oh, I'm making a mess.
Then we have a stick of butter. Hold it. Oh.
Thank you. Okay. Shucked.
It's banging.
It's banging.
I can help. Get down there.
Want to taste our taters?
Sure.
Good, right?
Really good. Yeah. Yep. Well, you know the smoke detector going off.
Really?
It does. It always does.
I need to update my vlog. Anyways, we're gonna have a little chit chat. I was supposed to go to a party dressed as David Dobrik. That party got canceled.
Supposed to get your tooth fixed.
And well, that's my next video. It's gonna be posted before I get my tooth fixed.
Oh, so just for all the people who are waiting, it's coming.
I got like 3 requests to make a cavity video and how it happened. So
It's very interesting.
I don't know. Maybe they're learning about teeth, or maybe they're into teeth. But I don't care. I will do it for you. I will do what the people want. So I haven't posted in like a week, cause yeah, that party just got canceled. And then my phone broke. I had to get a whole new phone. Yeah, phone broke. Got a new phone. It's supposed to be David Dobrik and go to a party. Party got canceled, and I am here.
Hey, it's coming up. I think.
I feel like Gordon Ramsay when I flip my fucking wrist. I'm an idiot sandwich.
Do you know what you are? What are you? Oh, idiot sandwich.
You're an idiot sandwich. My YouTube channel is turning into a cooking channel.
I know. Done. That means that the fire alarm might go off. Baby. This one's for Joe because he's a big guy.
Salakadoola bibbidi boola sippity boppity boo.
Alright, we did it. I can't believe it. Can you? No, you can't. The viewers at home are very, very confused as to how we did this.
No.
Yep, you did right.
TJ's missing out. Sorry, TJ.
Next time, sucker.
We'll get him next time, cowboy.
Look at all the steam. Alright, we're just gonna do this. That's my way. Turn it off right now.
So you want asparagus?
Yes.
It's still really hot over here.
Look at this. Look at this. That's crazy. Thumbnail. So we ate.
It was yummy.
It was delicious. Was it good?
Yeah, super good.
What are we gonna do? Like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you
Oh,
want.
no. What you have to do actually is